Delhi Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia today presented the state's first e-budget. The 69,000 crore rupee budget has been dubbed as Desh Bhakti budget by the ruling Aam Aadmi Party. Let's listen in to what Manish Sisodia said in the Delhi Assembly.
आज के बजट को मैं आपकी और इस सदन की अनुमति से देशभक्ति बजट के रूप से नामांकित करना चाहता हूं। देशभक्ति बजट इसलिए भी क्योंकि हमारी सरकार ने यह तय किया है कि हम आजादी के 75वें वर्ष को अपने शहीदों को श्रद्धापूर्वक याद करते हुए और उनके सपनों को आगे बढ़ाने के संकल्प के साथ इस पूरे वर्ष को धूमधाम से आन बान के साथ मनाएंगे। और सिर्फ पूरे वर्ष ही नहीं, इस अवसर पर सरकार ने पूरे 75 सप्ताह तक के समय को देशभक्ति के महोत्सव के रूप में मनाने का फैसला किया है। इस महोत्सव की शुरुआत इसी सप्ताह 12 मार्च से धूमधाम से महान स्वतंत्रता नायकों के सम्मान में आयोजित एक भव्य कार्यक्रम से होगी।
All right, the Delhi Deputy Chief Minister who presented the budget also added that the Delhi government intends to increase the city's per capita income to Singapore's level by 2047. He also announced an allocation of 45 crore rupees to install high masts to hoist the national flag at 500 places in the capital. An amount of 10 crores will be allocated for the programs on freedom fighter Bhagat Singh's life during the 75-week Desh Bhakti celebrations. That's what the Deputy Chief Minister has said. Let's in fact go to Akshay Dongre for the very latest on this. Akshay, take us through the highlights of the Delhi budget.
Well, as far as the highlights are concerned, of this 69,000 crore rupee budget, which was in fact a 6% increase from the past budget that
all right, we'll try and get back to Akshay. Yes, Akshay, we can hear you now. Complete your point.
Budget. They also said that the highlight of this budget will be that the government will be celebrating 75 weeks as far as the 75th year of Indian independence is concerned. Till 15th of August 2022, the government said that the government aims to increase the per capita income of the national capital and raise it to the level of Singapore by the year 2047, when the country will be completing 100 years of independence. Yes. And also planned to organize Olympics in the country, in the country, and especially in the national capital, and will allocate all that is required in the upcoming years. However, the highlight of this budget, apart from this entire patriotism, was that the government plans to start 100 new Sainik schools and schools of excellence. They also said that there will be a Delhi Law University and Delhi Teacher University. So this is one of the most important point. Also, 100 new only women mohalla clinics will be started in the national capital. So these are some of the most important points as far as the budget is concerned. However, we saw that there was a reaction from the Bharatiya Janata Party as well, with Member of Parliament Ramesh Biduri stating that now will Arvind Kejriwal teach people how to wave the flag. So definitely not only it was a budget that was aimed at the people of the national capital, but also to tackle the nationalistic approach that has been taken by the Bharatiya Janata Party to take on the BJP at the political front as well.
All right, interesting details there. Thanks very much, Akshay, for joining us with those details from the national capital.